Hello everyone. Welcome back to our 30-day English challenge. Today's lesson is all about English numbers from 1 to 100. Numbers are everywhere. We use them to count, tell our age, give our phone number, tell the time, and much more. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to count from 1 to 100 and use numbers in everyday conversations. Let's get started. Part 1, Numbers 1 to 10. First, let's learn the numbers from 1 to 10. Listen and repeat after me. 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 10. Excellent. Now let's say them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Now try by yourself. Part 2, Numbers 11 to 20. Now let's continue. 11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18. 19, 19. 20, 20. Repeat one more time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Part 3, Counting by tens. Now let's learn the tens. 20, 20. 30, 30. 40, 40. 50, 50. 60, 60. 70, 70. 80, 80. 90, 90. 100, 100. Repeat after me. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Excellent. Part 4, Making bigger numbers. Now let's make numbers between the tens. The pattern is easy. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Let's try another group. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Now some more examples. 48, 56, 69, 74, 82, 99. Great work. Remember, say the tens first, then the ones. Example. 42 equals 42. 57 equals 57. 83 equals 83. 95 equals 95. Part 5, Using numbers for your age. We use numbers to tell our age. Question. How old are you? Answer. I'm 10 years old. I'm 15 years old. I'm 20 years old. I'm 30 years old. You can also say, I'm 10. I'm 15. I'm 20. Now it's your turn. How old are you? Say your age in English. Excellent. Part 6, Phone numbers. Numbers are also used for phone numbers. When we say a phone number, we usually say one number at a time. Listen carefully. 071 234 5678. We say 0 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's try another example. 098 765 4321. 0 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Now practice saying your own phone number slowly in English. Great job. Part 7, Counting practice. Let's count together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now count by tens. 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100. Excellent. Part 8, Quick quiz. Let's see what you remember. What number comes after 19? That's right. 20. What number comes before 50? Correct. 49. How do you say 75? 75. How do you say 100? 100. Fantastic. Review. Today you learned numbers from 1 to 100. How to count in English. How to tell your age. How to say your phone number. How to make numbers like 21, 45, 68, and 99. The more you practice, the faster you'll remember these numbers. Ending. Congratulations! You finished day 4 of our 30-day English challenge. Today's homework is simple. Practice counting from 1 to 100. Say your age in English. Practice saying your phone number. Repeat today's lesson until you can say every number confidently. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson.